Only 2 weeks after the Shah fled Iran on January the 16th, 1979, Imam Khomeini returned to Iran triumphantly on Thursday, February the 1st, 1979, invited by the anti-Shah revolution which was already in progress. Conservative estimates put the welcoming crowd of Iranians at least 4 million. When Imam Khomeini was on plane on his way to Iran after many years in exile, in a speech given to a huge crowd on the first day of returning to Iran, Imam Khomeini attacked the government of Shah Ahlul Bayt, promising, "I shall punch their teeth in."
من دولت تعیین میکنم. من به پشتیبانی این ملت دولت تعیین میکنم. من تو دهن این دولت میزنم.
After 10 days, the beleaguered military chiefs met.
ارتش اطلاعیه داده که در دعوای بین مردم و حکومت بی‌طرف خواهد بود و دستور داده شده که نیروها به پادگانها برگردند. این به معنی پیروزی انقلاب بود. همه هورا کشیدیم، شادی کردیم و تبریک گفتیم، بغل کردیم همدیگر رو.
Imam Khomeini himself became instituted as the Grand Leader for life and officially decreed as the leader of the revolution. After assuming power, Islam was made the basis of Iran's new constitution and obedience to Islamic laws made compulsory.